Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is how to use the manual method of the tile tool in case of Alteryx. So, the tile tool is having functions, or you can say methods such as smart tile function, smart tool, as well as manual equal record. Likewise, these are the different functions or methods available in the tile tool. So, we will see how to use the manual method. We'll make use of our previous exercise. Go to this exercise. I'll select this. I'll press Ctrl C. Go to the new workflow number 4. And over here, I'll press Ctrl V. So the data over here is being inputted is nothing but the file name as sales 2017 copy. From this we have selected a sheet named as 10,000 record sheet and we have connected it with the tile tool. So in the in out tab, this input data tool is available. We have dragged it and connected it with a file. So the file 2000 sales 2017 dash copy from this 10,000 record sheet is being inputted, and then this is the preparation tab. We have connected it with the tile tool. So right now I'll be clicking on the run option which is available over here so that the result workflow will be available. I'll click on the run button. So as we can see over here, 10,000 records is being displayed over here, and in the previous exercise we have made use of the smart tile function. So on the basis of that we have grouped different tiles. So we have made the grouping according to the sales done. So only in case of smart tile function, the numerical columns is considered. So according to that, the grouping is done. So extremely high, average, high, low. Likewise, the sales done is being grouped. So now what we have to do, I'll just go to this tile tool so that the option will be available in the configuration tool. So over here in the previous exercise we have used this smart tile function and sales done numerical column. According to that, only the smart tile function is possible and output verbal same column, so that a new column or new field will be created in that the output can be seen. So in the tile method, I will select over here manual. Now it is only going to ask us the numerical column. So I'll use over here sales done again, and it will ask us how we have to group it. So enter one or more tile cutoffs. So accordingly we have to group it. Say so over here I have provided the cutoff. So 0 to 500 will be group 1. Then 500 above 500 to 1000 there will be group 2, and then above 1000 up to 3000 there will be group 3. So likewise I have divided it into, so we can do the manual tile method in this particular way. So this is only possible in case of the numeric column. So only two numeric columns are available over here. So I have selected the sales done. Now I will go to this run button and click on it. So over here we can see this particular tile number, tile sequence number. Likewise, we can see it. So the data according to the sales done is being displayed over here. So we can use the sorting. Maybe we'll be using from higher to lower descending order. Descending order. So the data which is above 3000 is given as the tile number 4, group number 4. Accordingly, the different types of groupings is being provided over here 1, 2, 3. So according to 500, 1000 and 3000 the groupings is being provided. I hope you have understood how to use this particular manual method in case of Alteryx when we are using this title. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.